Hello. Welcome to the You Can Be Healthier TV channel by the Wings of Love Nonprofit Corporation. My name is Ron Hammond. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you the secrets of a healthy, long, and happy life. You will learn how a simple way of life can prevent you from falling into dozens of diseases. The Greek doctor and wise man Hippocrates said, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food." So, always have in mind that your nutrition and physical activity today will define your health condition tomorrow. Scientific research confirms that staying physically active can prevent or delay certain diseases, including cancers, heart diseases, and diabetes, as well as relieve depression and improve mood. Physical activity is crucial for your body and has emotional benefits that come with it, improving mental health conditions. Think about this. Inactivity often accompanies advancing age, but it doesn't have to. One of the 3 primary goals of Healthy People 2000 was to increase the span of healthy life for Americans, and the first 2 priorities for health promotion efforts focus on physical activity and nutrition. Weight loss may be the first thing that comes to mind when you hear words like exercise, physical activity, nutrition, diet, and healthy eating, but there's much more to it. A lifestyle is an asset, it is a treasure. As American motivational speaker Dennis Waitley said, "Time and health are 2 precious assets that we don't recognize and appreciate until they have been depleted." Like exercise, eating habits are often not good if people get older or live and eat alone. So, it's essential for successful aging to eat foods rich in nutrients and avoid the empty calories in candy and sweets. Why nutrition is important? Good nutrition is just as important as exercise for your overall health. By improving your diet, you will enjoy increased energy levels, more muscular strength, an improved immune system, and a general wellness sensation. A nutritious and balanced diet of lean proteins, carbs, and good fats can help you eliminate extra weight and reduce your risk of many diseases, such as heart disease, leading to heart attack or stroke, cancer, diabetes, obesity, high blood pressure, kidney stones, osteoporosis, or bone loss. Start small when trying to improve your diet and nutrition. Just like with exercise, it can feel overwhelming to make so many changes to your diet. However, tiny changes become big healthy habits. For example, as a part of your daily routine, start eliminating a couple of bad foods or swapping some foods for healthier options. Instead of a bag of chips, try eating carrot sticks. You'll still get that crunchy snacking satisfaction without all the fat. Always keep in mind that making small changes will help you to succeed sooner, and this encourages you to add new healthy foods to your diet. Indeed, future studies may shift from examining the independent effects of diet and exercise to viewing them as symbiotic factors in health and disease. Meanwhile, you should be aware that your lifestyle is your passport to a long and happy existence. Think of this. Good nutrition and daily exercise improve mental health and reduce problems such as depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, ADHD, and Alzheimer's disease. Why changes are important? The National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey showed that despite a $33 billion weight loss industry, Americans are gaining rather than losing weight. More than 30% of American adults are obese, and obesity is considered an impairment of health, associated with reduced longevity and increased incidence of cardiovascular disease, diabetes mellitus, osteoarthritis, and certain types of cancer, as well as adverse psychosocial factors. Regular exercise is more than just the benefit of weight loss. It also significantly prevents and manages type 2 diabetes by increasing insulin sensitivity and glucose tolerance. In addition, some studies show an association between resting heart rate and the incidence of diabetes and an inverse relationship between physical activity and the incidence of different diseases. Despite a progressive decline in the death rate from coronary heart disease, also known as CHD, since 1968, it remains the leading cause of death in the United States. This disease begins in childhood and progresses in severity over decades, with the resulting atherosclerotic plaques protruding into the artery lumen and reducing coronary blood flow. Risk factors include elevated total and low-density lipoprotein (LDL), cholesterol levels, reduced levels of HDL cholesterol and high arterial blood pressure. So, a proper diet should be low in saturated and trans fats, cholesterol, and sodium. Now I will give you examples of fats to avoid in your meals. Trans fats and saturated fats contained in fried foods, fast foods, packaged foods, baked goods, sweets, and anything cooked in lard, cream, and vegetable oil. Foods with high cholesterol like egg yolks, red meat, bacon as well as other processed meats, and cakes, pies, and cookies should be eaten in moderation. Lastly, there is sodium, what we know as salt, which naturally occurs in all edibles. Still, there are some foods you should avoid due to salt excess. Canned and packaged meats as lunch meat, bacon, ham, pepperoni, etc. Frozen meals like burritos and pizza, and canned foods like chili and beans or vegetables with salt added. A well-rounded diet should include lean proteins, carbs, and the so-called good fats. For lean proteins, try quinoa, natural nut butter, oatmeal, black beans, and white meat chicken. Protein is essential in a healthy diet, as it fills you up, keeps you energized, and, eaten in moderation, helps you shed extra weight. A good nutrition includes vegetables, fruit, potatoes, nuts, and whole grains, like brown rice and quinoa, as well as foods containing good fats such as avocados, olives, olive oil, unsalted nuts and seeds, and fish. Finally, make sure your healthy diet includes calcium, which keeps your teeth and bones strong. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources of calcium. We suggest you try low-fat options to keep your overall fat intake down. And don't forget dark green vegetables like broccoli are also rich in calcium. Calcium, along with physical activity, will keep you away from osteoporosis. This silent disease provokes the gradual loss of bone that can result in severe fractures leading to years of dependency, discomfort, and depression. While most attention has focused on postmenopausal women because of the frequent occurrence of fractures in this age group, young women and older men are also at risk for this disease. Indeed, health professionals recognize that strategies for preventing bone loss must begin in childhood and continue throughout the lifespan. The three most important factors that contribute to healthy bones are hormonal, nutritional, and mechanical, and a deficiency in any one of these is likely to result in bone loss. We will talk about osteoporosis in another video soon. We invite you to visit our website where you will find out informative articles, healthy recipes, and product ideas to improve your health in a natural way. Choose to be healthy and stay safe until our next video. Follow us on Twitter as @2BeHealthier, and subscribe now to our YouTube channel. Remember, we're your trustworthy online resource on natural health, and always keep in mind that prevention is better than cure. Thank you for watching. My name is Ron Hammond and this is the You Can Be Healthier TV channel by Wings of Love, Inc.